Did you know there is an invisible no-flight zone that could cost you your drone and your pilot license? And on top of that, it can move at any time. Now, if you fly your drone anywhere near the coast, you need to know about this flight restriction, what happens if you break it, and more importantly, how to avoid it. Because this covers Navy ships both in port and underway. And I'll be honest, I didn't know about this until the Navy asked us to make a video about it. So let's talk about how to remain outside of the restriction described in NOTAM 3-6405. And if you're not familiar, NOTAM means Notice to Airmen. The flight restriction extends from 3,000 feet from the ship and goes up to 1,000 feet and is designated as what's called a national defense airspace. This is the same thing that we see in Washington, D.C., around Disney, and also at Kennedy Space Center. But unlike those, this specific restriction is not depicted on any charts. And the penalties for flying there include steep fines, certificate revocation, and even criminal charges. But here's the good news. Avoiding these restrictions is actually pretty simple once you know what to look for. Navy ships are generally gray, have a large number or set of numbers that's called a hull number that's painted near the bow, which is the front of the ship. These ships may or may not be armed, they will have the American flag at the top of the mast and may have other flags denoting the name of the ship. They could also be black-hulled submarines or hospital ships. Now remember, that gray ship in the distance isn't just another boat, it's a moving no-fly zone. Always maintain at least 3,000 feet of distance and then use your zoom lens if you need to get the shot. And if you want to check how to fly in other restricted flying zone, be sure to watch this video right here. And if you want more educational drone videos, be sure to subscribe.